In today's video, we're going to go over how you add fractions when they have the same denominator. Remember, the denominator shows how many pieces there are per whole, and the numerator shows us how many pieces we have. Look at the following picture, which shows two bars. Each bar is broken down into thirds, and we have colored one of those thirds purple. If we were to add 1/3 plus 1/3, we would essentially have 2/3, right? Notice the numbers in the fractions that we did add and those that we did not. We added the numerator and we kept the denominator the same. So when you have fractions with the same denominator, the steps to add them are: first, keep the denominator the same. Next, add the numerators. Finally, simplify if necessary. The best way to go over this is to look at a few examples. Let's take the first one. 1/5 plus 3/5. We keep the denominator of 5 the same, and we simply add the numerator of 1 and 3. 4/5 is our result, and 4/5 is in its simplest form, so we're done. How about 2/6 plus 1/6? We keep the denominator of 6 the same, and we add the numerators of 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3/6 is our result, and we need to simplify further, as we know that 6 is a multiple of both 6 and 3. We say 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 6 two times. Our reduced fraction is now 1/2. Let's do one more example. Take 2/7 plus 4/7. We keep the denominator of 7s the same, and we add our numerators together, and we get 6. So our result is now 6/7, which is in its simplest form. So remember, when adding fractions with the same denominator, all you have to do is add the numerators and then simplify if needed. This process is very similar to subtracting fractions with the same denominators. If you need a refresher on how to simplify fractions, I'll drop a link to that video in the description below. If you want some extra practice on adding fractions, head on over to improvemath.com and snag yourself a worksheet under the additional resources page. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't, hit like and subscribe.